Every single day, another company announces layoffs. Not because business is bad, because AI is doing the work faster, cheaper, and without complaining. Millions of people are watching their careers slowly become irrelevant, and most of them have no idea it is already happening to them. But here is what nobody is telling you. While AI is destroying certain jobs, it is also creating a massive wealth gap. On one side, you have people who are panicking, updating their resumes, and hoping for the best. On the other side, you have a small group of people who are getting richer than ever, not despite AI, but because of it. The difference between those two groups comes down to 7 specific skills. And by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly what they are and how to start building them starting today. So stay with me, because this might be the most important 7 minutes of your financial life. Skill number 1, prompt engineering. Right now, most people use AI the same way they use Google. They type in a basic question and accept whatever comes back. But the people who are making serious money have figured out something different. They know that AI is only as powerful as the instructions you give it. The better your prompts, the better your output. And better output means better results, faster work, and more money. Prompt engineers are already being hired at salaries above $150,000 a year. But you do not even need a job title to profit from this skill. Freelancers are charging thousands of dollars to help businesses use AI tools effectively. Learn how to write precise, detailed, and creative prompts. Practice every single day. This skill alone can open doors that most people do not even know exist. Skill number 2, AI tool mastery. Here is the truth. AI tools are multiplying faster than most people can keep up with. New platforms are launching every week. And right now, the people who understand these tools deeply have a massive advantage. We are talking about tools for writing, design, video, coding, marketing, customer service, and data analysis. The people who master even 2 or 3 of these tools become 10 times more productive than their competition. Think about it this way. If you can do the work of 10 people using AI, you can charge the price of 10 people. That is not an exaggeration. That is already happening in every industry. Pick one niche. Go deep. Become the person who knows that tool better than anyone else in your network. Skill number 3, data literacy. AI runs on data, and the people who can read, interpret, and make decisions based on data are going to be worth a fortune in the coming decade. You do not need to become a data scientist, but you do need to be comfortable looking at numbers and understanding what they mean. Can you read a marketing report and identify what is working? Can you look at sales data and spot a trend before everyone else does? Data literacy is one of the most underdeveloped skills in the workforce right now, which means the opportunity for you is enormous. Platforms like Google Analytics, Excel, and even basic AI dashboards can teach you the fundamentals in a matter of weeks. The person who can combine AI tools with data understanding is not replaceable. They are irreplaceable. Skill number 4, creative thinking. Here is something AI cannot do. It cannot have an original idea. AI can remix, repackage, and reproduce what already exists. But genuine creativity, the kind that sees a problem differently, that invents something new, that connects 2 unrelated concepts in a way nobody has seen before, that is still entirely human. And companies are willing to pay premium prices for creative people who also know how to use AI to execute their ideas faster. If you have always been told that being creative is not practical, the world just changed in your favor. Creative thinking combined with AI execution is one of the most powerful combinations in today's economy. Start training your creativity like a muscle. Consume different content. Travel. Ask unusual questions. Break your daily routine. The more diverse your thinking, the more valuable you become. Skill number 5, sales, and persuasion. Let me be direct with you. AI cannot close a deal the way a human can. Sales is about trust. It is about reading a room, adjusting your approach, and making someone feel confident enough to hand over their money or their commitment. No matter how advanced AI gets, human beings still buy from human beings they believe in. The most dangerous thing about the AI era is that it is creating a world where everyone has access to the same content, the same products, and the same services. The person who wins is the one who can persuade, connect, and sell. Sales is not a dirty word. It is the highest paid skill on earth. If you can sell, you will never be broke. Period. Study persuasion. Learn copywriting. Practice having hard conversations. These skills will compound over your entire career. Skill number 6. Personal branding. In a world flooded with AI-generated content, human authenticity has become a rare and valuable asset. People are not just buying products anymore. They are buying people. They are buying trust, personality, and point of view. The creators, entrepreneurs, and professionals who build a recognizable personal brand are creating income streams that no algorithm can replace. Your personal brand is your insurance policy in the AI economy. It is proof that you exist, that you have something unique to offer, and that people should choose you over a machine. Start documenting your journey. Share what you know. Build an audience even if it is small. The people who start today will be the ones others look up to in 2 years. Skill number 7. Adaptability. This might sound simple, but do not underestimate it. The single most dangerous thing you can do in the next 5 years is stay comfortable. The people who are going to lose are not the ones who lack talent. They are the ones who refuse to change. The world is shifting faster than at any point in human history. New tools, new industries, new ways of earning are appearing every single month. The people who thrive are the ones who embrace change instead of fearing it. Adaptability means being willing to unlearn old habits, learn new tools, and pivot when the market changes. It is not a talent. It is a decision. And you can make that decision right now. Let me bring this together for you. AI is not your enemy, but it will absolutely destroy the careers of people who refuse to evolve. The 7 skills we just covered are not just survival tools. They are wealth-building tools, prompt engineering, AI mastery, data literacy, creative thinking, sales, personal branding, and adaptability. These are the skills that will separate the people who get rich from the people who get left behind. The window to get ahead is open right now, but it will not stay open forever. If this video gave you even one idea that can change your financial future, do one thing for me. Hit that like button right now and subscribe to this channel, because we drop videos every week designed to help young men like you build wealth, sharpen your mindset, and win in the modern world. And if you want to know exactly which AI tools are worth your time in 2025, that video is right here. Watch it next. I will see you there.